Lumbini and Pokhara are one of the best tourism destinations in Nepal. So I decided to travel Lumbini first and then fly back to Pokhara from there. The distance between Kathmandu and Lumbini is around 258 km by road. Lumbini is a Buddhist pilgrimage site in the province number 5 in Nepal. It's the place where Siddhartha Gautama was born, who became Buddha and founded Buddhism. Due to the lack of travelling time, I could only manage to visit Mahadeva Temple situated in Lumbini. Mahadeva Temple is an ancient Buddhist temple listed under the UNESCO World Heritage Site. The temple stands next to a sacred pool and sacred garden. Finding inner peace and achieving peace of mind is a major life accomplishment, and I'm sure you can experience divine peace bestowing upon you when you visit this place. Now it's time to go to the Pokhara, the most beautiful city of Nepal. The distance between Lumbini and Pokhara is around 169 km by road. But if one wants to take a shorter route, traveling via air is the best option. So I chose to travel by air. Private airline, the Buddha Air, has been operating flights to Pokhara from Bhairava with its Beechcraft 1900T. The total travel time for this route is estimated around 20 minutes. Pokhara is the country's second largest city in terms of population after the capital Kathmandu. It's the major tourism hub in Nepal. Phewa Lake is the traveller's focal point in Pokhara and is the second largest lake in Nepal. It offers an excellent view of mountains and their reflection on the lake is mesmerizing. One can easily find a place to sit back, relax and enjoy a great meal while soaking in the magnificent scenery here. Nepal has two of the 80-piece pagodas in the world. Shanti Stupa in Lumbini, the birthplace of Lord Buddha, and Shanti Stupa in Pokhara. Shanti Stupa in Pokhara has also become a major tourist attraction. It provides a panoramic view of the Annapurna Range, bird-eye view of Pokhara city and Phewa Lake. Pokhara Shanti Stupa is a Buddhist pagoda-style monument on a narrow hill. The pagoda is 115 feet tall and 344 feet in diameter. Pokhara, the best lake city, is one of the best places for sword hiking as well. We can embrace amazing countryside experience here. Amazed by the crystal clear water flowing underneath, the urge to plunge in was pretty strong. Not being able to hold back, I decided to take a dive in. Besides that, hot air ballooning in Pokhara is also listed as one of the adventure activities. Another amazing experience in the air that you don't want to miss. Ballooning offers a beautiful view of sunrise, the breathtaking Himalayan ranges and peaks, and the mesmerizing lake of Pokhara city. It is now time to go back home, but Pokhara always makes you feel so special that you just want to keep coming back. Very soon, Pokhara will have its international airport, which will make this place even closer and easily accessible to the tourist who loves nature.